Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. Sound like I sneezed. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET XRO. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Hey, somebody take a picture of this and tag me on IG and let me know how far this shit look. This shit, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like that's a perfect X. What's good with y'all, man? It's Metro. We back. Um, yeah. Today is 6/19/2023. And if you don't know what that means it's a Monday. And just in case you want to know what time I'm recording this, it's on the bottom right, but I'm going to just say it anyway, just in case you don't feel like being, you know what I'm saying, you don't feel like doing all that. It's 12:51 p.m. So yeah, man. Basically in this video, I'm going to just be breaking down this week, going over the setups I took. I think I only took 3 trades this week. But before we get into all these trades and all the other shit, before I forget, hey man, if you ain't following me on IG, click the list here. Oh, fuck. I can't go a video without stuttering or fucking up. What? Somebody text me. Hold on. Damn, the IRS said they coming to get me. I'm not paying taxes. Fuck it. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all follow me on IG or METXRO. Link in the description down below. I post when I trade, when I don't trade. My lifestyle. It's not even really a lifestyle because I'm not full time yet. But you know, just a lifestyle of an up and coming Forex trader. You know, just a regular. I'm a regular person, you know. I work a 9 to 5, not full time yet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna be out here faking a lifestyle for y'all. Y'all not finna catch me driving BMW i8s and all that shit, nigga. I'm still in the hood, bro. We not driving those around. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, man. Follow that. Oh yeah, join the Discord too. Click that link in the description down below. Y'all didn't see me misclick that, but we not gonna talk about it. You know what I'm saying? Join the chat. We got over 330 plus members in here. You know what I'm saying? We got this trading chat where we talk about trades, potential setups, you know, just trading shit. And then, you know what I'm saying, we go to the winning setups. This is what you go to after you fuck the market up and you post your setup. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Everybody been killing it today. Not a lot of people really traded today because it's a bank holiday. Not sure if y'all knew. And y'all say we got an education page, a losing trades, so you can see losing trades and get feedback. Man, join that shit. I'm telling you, you gonna better yourself. Come on now. But yeah, man. I think we went 3-1 this week. The one loss is because I took whoa, wait a minute, hold on, I'm tripping. The one loss is because I missed the setup, I think on GU, and I took a loss on GJ. This trade right here, I'm gonna go over that trade. So yeah, man, let me know how y'all week went down below. I'm finna break down these trades, and we just gonna top straight. Oh god damn it, top straight into it. So yeah, man, let's get it. No, I went 2-1 this week. My fault. Don't be my ass. But yeah, this trade right here, we in a 5-minute time frame, and as y'all know, I like trade supply and demand along with other things. It just depends on what it is in the market. I can trade multiple ways. Now this loss right here, I wasn't really mad about. Only reason I was mad about it is because the trade that I was looking at and I had marked up before, I chose not to get in because the candles were moving like aggressive. You know, like when you know what I'm saying, shit like that. And I was like, I don't really feel comfortable trading like that. You know, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? I probably should have taken the trade. But right here, we're below the 200 SMA. Now, for a lot of y'all been asking me, what is this purple line? This is the 200 SMA. Like I said, in my videos, I don't really think I'll be saying it a lot. But if it's below, I think I do be saying it. If it's below, I'm looking for sales. But it's above, I look for buys. But just because it's above or below on one time frame doesn't mean it's below or above on one. I like multiple. I like at least 3. So if I'm planning on like selling right here, I need it to be above on the 5-minute, the 15, the hour, and most likely, hopefully, the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? I usually like all of them to be in the same. So let's take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, so it's below in the 15-minute. On the hour, I don't know if it was below an hour. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember this shit too well. Where'd my line go? Okay, yeah, we were below. So this could be another reason I low key did lose. But then again, there is times where I do happen to take trades, even if they are only two time frames. Two of the time frames, the SMAs are in confluence. I don't know why that shit's so hard for me to say. Everything is hard for me to say. I'm not gonna lie to you. I be stuttering in damn near every fucking video. But yeah, Okay, hold on. Let me find my shit. Let me find my shit. While I'm finding my shit, you go sound like a bit for me. I'm saying, come on, bro. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with the lights. It's not costing you nothing. We almost there though. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. I don't know why TradingView just like when you switch time frames, I really wish like it would just like automatically just keep you in a lock and where you at. Hey, TradingView, if y'all see this, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, that will make your shit a lot better, especially since I'm paying $14.99 a month. Come on, bro. That's all my trading profits a month. Come on, bro. Gotta do better. But yeah, so I think it was on 5 minute 15, and I think the hour. So the 5 and 15 was above. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, we was looking for sales. Now, the one of the most important things about when you trading is you have to know how to manage your trades while you're in the trade. Because look, me personally, the way I trade, I like to keep my losses small, and I like to read candles, and I let candles speak to me. So in this trade, like I said, it's a supply setup. Boom, came through. Now this candle right here, I don't really count. I'm gonna scoot it over just in case y'all can't see. This candle, I don't really count it as tapping into it, but this candle tap, and you always know I always like to enter on a second candle, or I can't tell y'all about that strategy. I'm gonna have to say that for the YouTube unlisted playlist course. I gotta relax. But yeah, man, yeah, I like to enter on this right here. Boom. As soon as it broke below this candle, put my stops at a decent. I think I put it right above here because this is where it pushed up at the moment. It pushed up the highs, and then it started going down, and you know it pushed all the way down. I was aiming for this low right here, and usually I usually go for a 1 to 2, but it didn't even hit the 1 to 2. Yeah, it didn't even hit the 1 to 2. So after I was in profit for a decent amount, I always like to manage my trades and be like, okay, if it pushes back, you always got to have a backup plan. So when it happens and it starts to come to that moment when you got to make a decision, you already know your decision, and all you got to do is just execute instead of just, oh, I want to see if it does this. You know, just make a plan while you in the trade or even before the trade. You know what I'm saying? So you can be ready and cut your losses. So push down, and you know, a lot of people who trade supply and demand might have had their stop loss up here. And like you said, I mean, you didn't even say anything. What the fuck am I talking about? You're watching the video. You didn't say shit. But like a lot of people would trade, you know, they always put their stop losses above the zone, and you would have took a big loss. You know what I'm saying, a lot of people may have taken this trade, may have not have taken the trade, but I know a lot of people put their stop losses above the zone. But you know what I'm saying, after I see it push down a lot like this, and then it, you know what I'm saying, started to make new highs above the candle, I'm getting out. So I cut my loss right there. It was a nice trade, but and then it did eventually play through. But even if I had my stop loss above the zone, it would have still got taken out. Now let's go to the GU trade. This trade right here was a beautiful trade. This was on Tuesday. So look at, now we have a demand setup right here. At first I low-key didn't think it was gonna be valid because I saw it wicking, and I was like, okay, I'm getting right here on this candle. But as you see, this candle ended up bearish, and eventually it started pushing back up, and I was like, okay, we're still in the zone. We didn't break or close below the zone, this zone right here. And I was like, okay, you know what I'm saying, now I'm waiting. I was like, okay, boom, we got a good bullish candle right here, and then we got a decent, it was kind of a weird candle, but I was like, okay, it's still bullish, and it's still like holding, you know what I'm saying. It didn't, you know, end up bearish. So I was like, you know what, I really feel like this setup could take off. And like I said, on multiple time frames, I felt like we were above. So on the 5 minute, we were above the 200 SMA. Let's go to 15. Yeah, above on the 15. And on the hour, we were, oh shit, where are we at? Okay, I don't think. Yeah, okay, so we were above on damn near every time frame. Love to see it. Yeah, this is a top tier setup right here. So I really felt confident with it. That's probably low key the reason I really took it. Okay, I gotta go all the way back because, you know, TradingView just doesn't want to, you know, lock me in and keep where I'm at. But yeah, boom. So, the one of the main reasons I got in on this candle right here is because I was like, look, you know, a decent amount of times, we see candles like this right here where my line is at, where it's kind of like in the, like it made a high and it's high low, and the candle closes in the middle. It could just be, doesn't necessarily mean the trade's not gonna play out or is losing momentum. It's just sometimes it does that shit. I'm not gonna lie. And one of these candles, it could go either way. Now, one of the things I was about to give up on this setup, to be honest with you, because this candle right here, it started out just going aggressive down real bad. But if you know me, the way I trade, I like to always see the candle push down if I'm going for buys, and then place my stop loss above the wick. And that's exactly what it did. It pushed down a decent amount, real aggressive, and then it, pushed all the way back up, broke above the candle high, put my stop loss in, got in, boom, we hit for a 1 to 3. Now I recorded that trade. I recorded that. Oh my God, I hate stuttering, bro. I hate it. I need medication. In order to fix my stuttering, I'm gonna need you to DM me your social security, as long as your date of birth and all your things that you don't really you're not supposed to give to people. I'm telling you, that's my cure. So I'm saying, hey, METX Road, Instagram. Yeah, but yeah, this is a simple setup, simple demand setup. Just held a 1 to 3. Really wanted to get out right here because I saw a lot of rejections right here. And hey man, GU ate good that day. Now let's go to UJ. This setup right here, it was beautiful. They gave us two back-to-back setups, but only took one. Now, as you can see right here, what am I about to say? Yeah, it was a demand setup. So right here, you see we got a little Manda zone drew up, and I love it. It was just a perfect setup. This was just a perfect, easy setup. I think I was only in this trade for about like 4 minutes. I recorded that. If you ain't watched none of these live trades, go watch them, bro. I literally break all this down. And you know what I'm saying, boom, broke above, tapped into the zone on this one, waited for this candle to make a wick below, and as soon as it started breaking above, making a new high, boom, got in, stop loss right above the wick as always, and boom, it hit TP in 2 candles, and we're out. And thank God I took TP because thank God I took take profit, because if I would have held this a little bit longer, I would have been pissed, I would have been hurt, I would have been sad, crying. Probably would have quit YouTube, because it melted fucking bad, and I was just happy as hell after I got out the trade, because this shit happened. But then if you missed this trade, you low-key could have got in right here. Let's delete this zone real quick just to show you, you know what I'm saying, what else I could have had drew up. This right here, and then it boom, it skyrocketed up, like literally, basically 2 back-to-back candles pushing up with no wicks below, no drawdown, just all overall beautiful trade, man. And that's the last trade, yeah. So I only traded twice. Well, technically 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. Could have been 3-0, and had no losses on the account at all. So the account right now is at $20,000, $20,834.64. Yeah, so we were doing real good on the account. We got 10 more days left. I'm feeling really good about this challenge still, even though we got 10 days left. All I got to keep doing is just keep the momentum going, and just keep the momentum going, bro. Like nothing much to say. Just keep doing what I'm doing. Don't overcomplicate shit, and I really feel like we could do this live. So even if we don't do it live, it is what it is. I'm gonna still show y'all the results. So, hey man, hopefully we can pass the challenge live. And hey man, I don't really got too much else to say. Let me know how y'all week went. Y'all week went. And yeah, it's METXRO. We gone, bro. And I said, and we gone. So that means click off the video. We gone.